Hello and welcome back. Continuing on, it's like today we're going to work on puzzle number 88. Let's start with this box here. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 6. We've got a 4 here and an 8 there. So this is our 6, 4, 8. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 2 there. So 4 and 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 6, 7. For this box then, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 there. So 1, 5, no help here. 1, 3, 5, and no help here. 1, 3, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 5 and a 9. We've got a 9 here. So 5, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 6. We got a 5 and 6 here. So this is our 4. But no help here. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this box now then, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here. So 7, 6 here. So 8, 6. For this row then, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 4. We don't have any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 5 there. So 1, 2, and no help here. 1, 2, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4, 5, no help here. 4, 5, 9. And no help here. 4, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing that same 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 5, 9, up and a 5 and 9 there. So this is our 4, and we can get rid of this 4. For this bottom row, we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 9 up there. So 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So this is our 5 and 9. That makes this our 5. That 5 makes this our 4, 9. And then we can get rid of this 5 over here. For this column, then we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got no help here. 1, 2, 8. But here we've got a 2 and an 8. So this is our 1, 2, 8. So we can get rid of this 2 and this 1. For this row then, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. Got no help here. 3, 4, 5. And no help here. 3, 4, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 3, 6, and an 8 there. 3, 6. So our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing a 2, 4, and 7. We get a 2 and 7 there, so this is our 4, 7 there, so 2, 7. We can get rid of this 4. For this column then, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. Got a 4 there. So 3, 6. So that 4 is covering that box, this 4 is covering that box, so our 4 has to be here, which makes this our 3. And then we can get rid of this 3 here. For this row then, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so 2, 6, 2 here, so 1, 3, 6. So now we're just going to have to tuck in and see what we can figure out. So in this column, the only place our 1 can be is here. So then that makes this our 3, 5, 1, 5, 6, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6, 2, and that 5 makes this our 4. All right, that was today's puzzle. Please do like, subscribe, share with someone you think might enjoy the content. All of that really does help the channel out. And I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.